Welcome to Gaido, a trusted name in Malaysia's automotive spare parts industry since 2005. We specialize in automotive timing belts and a wide range of car spare parts. In 2005, we proudly launched our home brand timing belt, designed to match or exceed the quality of original manufacturers. This initiative was aimed at helping passenger car owners maintain their vehicles with reliable and high-quality parts.
At Gaido, we are committed to persistence and efficiency in all our processes. Our team works together with integrity and equality, ensuring that every product we deliver meets the highest standards. We also believe in lifelong learning, continuously improving our skills and knowledge to stay ahead in the industry.
Today, Gaido distributes more than 11 brands, reaching over 1,500 dealers and 12,000 workshops across Malaysia.
We are continuously innovating, ensuring every product meets the highest quality standards.
By leveraging new technologies, we are transforming our operations through data and AI to enable a seamless and automated workflow.
Our extensive network ensures that our products are always within reach for our customers. With 6 branches currently in operation, we are excited to announce the opening of a few more branches by 2027. This expansion reflects our commitment to better serve our customers and meet the growing demand for our products. Our products include ribbed belts, fan belts, bearings, alternators, drive shafts, absorbers, automotive air filters, and more. Gaido ensures the authenticity and quality of its products through a QR registration system. The team continuously enhances product quality by incorporating advanced materials and technology. This results in auto parts that deliver superior performance by combining local skills with world-class resources and technologies.
Our vision is to provide the motoring community with the best and safest automotive spare parts solutions. Our mission includes producing reliable spare parts through innovative technology, ensuring the highest product quality through strategic partnerships, providing the fastest nationwide delivery through an efficient distribution system, and offering total automotive spare parts solution under one roof.